there! Today I decided to make a special video tutorial for my dear friend from New Zealand. So guys, today I'm going to explain how to make a watermelon shuko at home. Let's go! What is a shuko? A shuko is like a sandwich. We have a slice of bread, one on the top and one down. In our shukos we add some ingredients that when they are combined it's a delicious taste. The ingredients: 1 bread for shuko, you find it in a supermarket, guacamole, boiled cabbage, chopped onion. You can add a lot of meats, for example sausages, cow meat, salami, mayonnaise, sweet sauce, mustard and chili if you want. Before you start to prepare your shuko, you have to 1. Boil the cabbage. It is boiled for 5 minutes maximum. 2. Prepare the guacamole. Guacamole is prepared with avocados, lemon and salt. Some people also add a little oil or mayonnaise to conserve it. You have to get a creamy mixture. 3. Grill the beef, sausage or whatever you choose. You can add chimichurri. Chimichurri is made with coriander, parsley, vinegar, salt, garlic and oil. It's kinda spicy, but that's what gives the taste to the meat. Once we are done with that, we can grill the bread. You can add chimichurri too. I like a crunchy texture, but it's up to you. But please don't burn the bread. Take the bread out when it's ready. After that, you have to sink the guacamole in a slice of bread. Add the cabbage, the meat, and the onion there too. Finally, you can add the sauces that you want. In my case, I love the mustard, and this recipe can be combined with snacks and soda. So okay, that's it. Enjoy your watermelon shuko. Bye bye.